Hello everyone, this is the presentation of training need analysis of beauty care nail enhancement services NC3. So our introduction is the result of the data gathering survey of the training needs analysis or TNA. For trainees under the beauty care nail care enhancement services NC2 qualification, the survey provided background information of the learners' demographics, educations, learning style, and personal circumstances, which serve as a basis for designing responsible training. The qualifications focuses on advanced nail care services such as a nail restorations, extension, sculpting, and nail art. Alongside proper client preparations, aftercare, and workplace practices, the DNA conducted through a self-assessment checklist identified both the trainee's strength and skill gaps, which will guide the prioritization of training needs to ensure effective program a delivery. So here's in the respondent profile naman po, average grade in English. As you can see naman po, the grades range in 90 to 94 po. And the average grade in math naman po, the results indicate po that all respondent achieve grade ranging from 85 to 18 vocational attainment. Most of them currently in college level specify student from Bachelor of Technological Vocational Teacher Education, major in Food Service Management, and they are three. In the pie chart, shows that out of 10 respondents, we have two male, and while other is 8 are female. In the age category, out of 10 respondents, 8 of the respondents are 20 years old, while the other is 2 respondents are 21 years old. For their learning styles, the results show a range of preference among the respondents. The majority 5 respondents are pragmatist learners who learn best from activities directly relevant to their situation. This is followed by 4 respondents who are visual learners, and meanwhile, the 2 respondents are kinesthetic learners who learn through hands-on experience and reflect learner who preference to observe and reflect before acting. And the other needs naman po show that 100% of respondents are financially challenged. So the Beauty Care Nail Enhancement Services NC3 have a three competencies, the basic, common, and core competencies. So these charts present the three competencies, the basic, common, and core competencies. So the results of the outcome included in the survey, the respondents indicate that the number of yes answer is greater than the no answers. So suggesting that yung mga respondents is may alam na tungkol sa Beauty Care Nail Enhancement Services NC3. So in the analysis, the self-assessment checklist revealed that the trainers already achieved several core and common competencies. Their strengths include effective workplace communication, team leadership, critical thinking, and problem solving. They also showed proficiency in occupational safe and health practices, environmental work procedures, client relation, quality standard, and preparatory tasks such as workshop setup, tool preparation, and basic client handling. So these strengths that the learners have a solid foundation. So meron na siyang solid foundation dun sa essential workplace and services related skills which will support their overall performance in training. But these competencies represent the most critical training needs since they are central of the qualification requirements of Beauty Care Nail Enhancement Services NC3. So here's my recommendation. Increase hands-on practices, use step-by-step demonstration, incorporate peer learning and mentoring, simulate real workplace setting, and offer supplemental resources. So here's my documentation po. Okay, so thank you everyone.